In this video, we will learn about C tokens. What are the C tokens? If you want to learn any new language, you have the knowledge of alphabets of that language. So, in the C language, tokens are working like that. C tokens are divided in 6 parts: identifiers, keywords, constant, string, operators, and special symbols. Now, we will learn about them. What are an identifiers? Each program elements in C program are given a name called identifiers. Names given to identify variables, functions, and arrays are example for identifiers. We can see the example of identifiers in our day-to-day life. If a new baby born in our family, first we will give the name to that baby. For just like that, in C language, we will give a name to any variable. Like int x is equals to 10. Then if we call x, the x will store the value of 10 and it will give the value 10 to us. Now, what are the keywords? Keywords are predefined word in C compiler. Each keyword is a mean to perform a specific function in a C program. Since keywords are referred named for compiler, they can't be used as variable names. Example: int, float, if, else, etc. There are 32 reserved keywords in C language. Before going forward, I would like to tell you that we never use these 32 keywords as our variable names in our programming. Now, these are 32 keywords: auto, double, int, statical, while, etc. etc. Now, we will learn about constant. A constant is a value or variable that can't be changed in the program. For example, 10, 20, C programming, etc. We can't change the name. We never change the value or name of the constant. There are different type of constant in C programming which we will learn in upcoming videos. Now, what is an string? In simple words, we can say that a string is a collection of alphabets. Like C language codes, it is a string. Strings are always covered in double quotes. Now, what are operators? Operator in C language is a special symbol used to perform the functions. The data items on which the operators are applied are known as operands. Operators are applied between the operands. Depending upon the number of operands, operators are classified as follows. Operators are divided in two parts: unary operator and binary operator. Example for operators, like we want to perform a summation program. So 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Here 2 plus 2, where 2 is an operand and plus 1 is operator, and again 2 is an operand. So we can say that 2 and 2 are operands and plus is operator, and this operator is a unary operator. In the upcoming videos, I will explain you about operators. Now, what are the special symbols? Special symbol characters are used in C and they have a special meaning which cannot be used for another purpose. These are most important for the language C. Examples are braces, hash, semicolon. Hash is used in preprocessor, as we use in our past videos of semicolons are used in every end of the line. Thank you.